Hi, I'm Terry, and welcome to my weight loss journey. Good morning. What we're wearing today, I got this bright yellow skirt. I'm like, woo, today. Anyway, so yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember where I got the shirt, but I got this and this from the thrift store. Have a good day, and I'll show you what we're eating next. Hi, this has been a weird day. This morning I got here early, okay, no problem. And then I usually eat at 8. But there's been people coming in and out all day long asking questions. So I didn't eat breakfast. And I forgot that I didn't eat breakfast because at 10 o'clock my stomach was growling. And I'm like, what is wrong? Why am I hungry? I'm never hungry at 10 o'clock. Well, I am sometimes, but not like this. So I was trying to figure it out. And then now it's 11 o'clock. I opened up my lunchbox. I didn't eat breakfast. So it's definitely an interesting day. So what we are having, this was some Walden Farms honey mustard dressing. And I've got cucumbers. And so I'm putting that Walden Farms on the cucumber. So that's what we're going to have there. And I'll put a little salt on it too, just because. Now, hang on. Let me put a little salt on it. Okay. So that's what's going to be in here. And then I'm going to do this. Yeah, it's a wild, busy day. Because I got a meeting at 12. And then a meeting at 1. Okay. So, cucumbers and Walden Farms honey mustard dressing. And then we're going to have the 3 chicken sausages from breakfast because I just want them, so I'm going to have them. And then we're going to have, I brought turkey. The turkey that I made this weekend. So I'm going to have this and the cucumbers. And that is what we're having for lunch. It is 11:20 and I'm starved to death. So we'll definitely be eating our chips around 3-ish, but okay, I'll tell you whenever we do that. Hey there, so I've got this set out. I'll leave it out, I don't know, a long time. Let it defrost. I'm going to have this for my breakfast starting next week. And then over here, I've got some steak set out. I have enough to last through next Friday, but I'm like, might as well make some things. So T-bone steak, and this one is ribeye steak and New York strip steak thin. So I'm going to cook these up tomorrow, so you'll see me that. My coworker, she got some zucchini and cucumber and squash, so I'll be eating around on that this week. Now down to my. Okay, so we're going to have a bacon cheeseburger. So I've got in a bowl, got my 6 ounces of ground meat. I'm gonna add 2 servings of bacon pieces. So that should be 14 grams. Okay. And I'm going to zero it out. I want some cheese. So this is that Laughing Cow cheese. I'm going to put one of these on here. Oh, little feller. Okay. I'm going to pop that in the microwave. So I did not go to the gym, and I did not eat my chips because it was a weird day at work. And so it's 6 o'clock and I just got home. So yeah, but I bought that rebounder, so I will put that together and try using that this weekend. So anyway, so since I didn't go to the gym, or I didn't eat my stuff. I didn't go to the gym, so my calories will be a little better today compared to Wednesday. I'm going to add some GU stir fry. I'll do a serving, which is 15 grams. And then when that's done cooking, I'll microwave this. Okay, so ketchup, I'm going to use 2 servings, which is 30 grams. I'm sure I have more ketchup around here, but I'm going to have to get some out soon. There we go. And I'll use some mustard. And I forgot to stir in that cheese. Now that it's melted, I want to get that stirred in there real good. And because my calories were very low from not eating the yogurt and cottage cheese this morning, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I'm going to add a serving of this, which is 14 grams. Alright. There we go. So now that part's all ready, Freddy. Almost. Let's put a little seasonings in here. A little garlic salt. And a little bit of Greek seasoning. About to run out of that. And then, what I got in here? Oh, that, you know, we're going to do the umami. So it'll be like a mushroom cheese bacon burger. A mushroom bacon and cheeseburger. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, bub. Let me put a little relish. Just a little bit of relish. Okay. Now, by George, I'm having a bacon cheeseburger, mushroom bacon cheeseburger with all my good stuff on it. Fancy. I'm getting fancy up in here tonight. And then my Asian style veggies with that GU's, what I say, stir fry. And I got to have some of my sesame seeds. And there you go. This is what's for supper tonight. Quick, simple, easy. And I'll get this uploaded. And remember, watch tomorrow because you'll get to see what all my meal prep, my batch cooking. And here you can see what all my calories and protein and carbs and fat was for the day.